Total Wireless offers basic voicemail, which stores messages on their server. To access it, dial 86 from your Total Wireless phone. You'll be prompted to enter your password, which you set up during initial voicemail configuration. If you haven't set up a password, the system will guide you through creating one. Follow the voice prompts to listen to new messages, save them, delete them, or change your greeting. Remember that basic voicemail is free on all Total Wireless plans, but lacks advanced features like transcription. Keep your password secure to prevent unauthorized access to your messages. Visual voicemail on Total Wireless requires a compatible smartphone, either iOS 15 or higher, or Android 11 or higher. First, download the Total Wireless app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Sign in with your account and enable voicemail within the app's settings. Make sure your data connection is active for transcription features to work properly. On iOS, Visual Voicemail integrates directly into the phone app. On Android, use the Verizon Visual Voicemail app available through Total Wireless. Open the Voicemail tab in your phone app to see a list of messages. Tap a message to instantly play it or read the transcribed text. You can also reply via text or call back directly from the app. Visual Voicemail provides instant access and efficient management of your voicemails.